Hi guys! Welcome to Best Friend's Kitchen! If you are new to our channel, please subscribe so you will get updated for future videos. Today, we're going to show you how to make Macapuno candy balls. So, eto nga pala yung mga ingredients for this recipe. Tara, simulan natin! Una, ipaghalo lang natin yung 1 cup ng cornstarch at 1 cup ng water sa isang mixing bowl. Pagkatapos, haluin lang ito hanggang sa ma-dissolve yung cornstarch. After that, iset aside nyo muna ito for the meantime. By the way guys, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Just click the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Ngayon, pwede na tayong mag-start magluto. Sa isang kawali, ipag-combine lang natin yung condensed milk at macapuno. Lutuin ito sa mahinang apoy hanggang sa mag-simmer. I-make sure nyo lang na continuous nyo itong hahaluin para hindi manikit yung condensed milk natin sa kawali. As you can see, nag-i-start na mag-simmer yung mixture natin. At this stage, pwede nyo nang ilagay yung cornstarch na prepare natin kanina. Pagkatapos, i-continue nyo lang yung paghalo hanggang sa mag-thicken yung mixture. Be patient lang sa paghalo guys kasi it will take at least 25 to 30 minutes bago natin ma-achieve yung consistency na kailangan natin. Once na ma-achieve nyo na yung ganitong consistency, patayin nyo lang yung apoy. I-transfer nyo lang yung macapuno mixture natin sa isang plato at hayaan nyo itong lumamig completely. Kapag malamig na ito, pwede na tayong mag-start mag-mold. Ihanda nyo lang yung skim milk powder natin dahil gagamitin natin ito for the coating. Mag-scoop lang kayo ng 1 tablespoon ng Macapuno mixture natin at i-form nyo ito na parang bola. After that, i-roll nyo lang ito sa skimmed milk powder. I-make sure nyo lang na completely coated ng skimmed milk powder ang bawat isang Macapuno balls. By the way guys, pwede nyo nga pala itong lakihan or liitan, depende sa size na gusto nyo. I-continue nyo lang yung same procedure hanggang sa makoat natin ang lahat ng mixture. And there you go! Our Macapuno candy balls are now ready! By the way guys, kung balak nyo itong ibenta, itong isang packaging idea na pwede nyong gamitin. We hope that you enjoyed this video and please give us a thumbs up. You can also comment down below if you want to request recipes that we can feature on our next vlogs. Paki-share na rin ang video ito for everybody happy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, till our next vlog.